So Securonix is a next-gen SIM company. We fall under the category where cybersecurity monitoring is done. So Securonix is 10-year-old company. We got into a SIM space in 2016. The reason for us to get into this space is that there are so many legacy SIM solution in the market. Unfortunately, what has happened is in last 10 years, the customer environment has changed. They have become very hybrid. They are running their workloads on on-prem, cloud, SaaS. So the monitoring platform has not adapted to the change. And there are three reasons why customers buy Securonix and replace their legacy SIM solution with Securonix for. The number one reason is Securonix is built for as a cloud native platform. We do not implement our solution on-prem, which means customer has less headache. So they don't need to worry about the complex hardware, infrastructure, storage, compute requirements. So we are fully baked platform running in the cloud. So as soon as customers ready to send the logs, within 2 weeks we are fully operational, start delivering security threat detection capabilities immediately. Second reasons that customers come to Securonix is because unlike before 10 years, customers used to buy SIM solution for only compliance reporting and log monitoring. Log management. Today, customers are looking for a security operations center capabilities. So legacy platforms are not able to provide those capabilities. That's exactly what Securonix does. We are actually able to provide all the building blocks for security operations center. So we are an integrated platform which does log management, next-gen SIM solutions. We have UEBA, which is the industry's best UEBA platform. Source security orchestration and automation platform, and threat hunting, all in one application, and it's bundled for our customer and offered as a SaaS. So the last reason why customers are coming for Securonix is because of our analytics and machine learning capabilities. Unlike legacy platform, which requires you to write manual correlation, Securonix is primarily driven by analytics and machine learning. So our ability to detect threats using analytics and machine learning is highest. We provide out of the box more than 2,000 analytics use cases, which means that Securonix when you buy solutions, you are able to detect maximum number of threats, whether it is originating from inside the organization or outside. So these are the three reasons why customers come for Securonix for threat detection. Yeah, absolutely. When you do a legacy platform like implementation, that means the update and upgrade of that platform is customer dependent. It requires a lot of change approvals. So that means if there is a new malware to be detected, you need to go to a customer and ask him for a downtime or an update request, open that platform to the internet. So that means it undermines the platform's effectiveness to detect most advanced threats that is happening, zero-day threats that is happening in the dark web, deep web. What Securonix, because we are running in the cloud, we have full control on the platform. So any attack that happens in any part of the world, we are able to apply that threat detection algorithms for all customer in the other part of the world. So time to value, quick update, upgrade, and ability to update our threat detection capabilities for all our customers at a single pane of glass is making customers value our solutions more than on-prem solution. Customers buy a SIM solution today for detecting two things: advanced cyber threat and insider threat. Now the problem for customer is that when they buy a SIM solution and when CISOs or the CIOs or CEOs ask the CISO, tell me what is the coverage of your SIM solution or your SOC? How many kinds of attacks can you detect today? That is a difficult question. So, but in the case, if you go with the manual approach, you will never be able to even reach 50% of the coverage even after 4 or 5 years. But whereas if you're using machine learning and analytics, your coverage is straight away 80 to 90% because we reuse the algorithms that we use for 1,000 other customers in every new customer. Straight away, you have more than 2,000 analytics-based use cases out of the box. So this is making customer immediately on par with the best other security organizations in the world. So we have a two go-to-market strategy. Because we are a SaaS company, which means the requirement of professional services from partners or channel is minimum, which means it's simple. So we go live and we continue to operate the platform from administration point of view. So for partner, they don't need to worry about building huge capabilities, skill set, and all that. So in terms of our two market approaches, one is our reseller approach. We have quite a lot of reseller partners across Middle East and Turkey and Africa who can go and sell our platform to our, whether it is a banking, government, retail, pretty much all verticals buy our solutions. And then what happens is once sale happens, we continue to operate that platform. The other approach that we have is a managed security services companies. So we have some of the world's largest MSSP companies using Securonix to offer MSSP services to their tier 1, tier 2 customers, which means so they use our solution and they white label it and they offer it as a MDR services to their customer. So we have a program which is specifically for managed security services companies. So if you're looking at the RFPs in the market, that is coming from larger organization for security monitoring, out of 10 RFPs, 6 of them are MSSP. That means they're looking for turnkey solution as well as services coming from a one partner. Now, as a MSSP company, they do not have their own SIM solution. They always make use of OEM technology, white label it, and use their resources to offer it as a fully packaged solution to the customer. But today, customers are very smart. They are not just saying, okay, you give me whatever solutions, you use whatever resources. They're asking, beyond this branding of your MSSP services, what are the technologies that you're using? Because they want to know that are you using the right technologies, most advanced technologies, as well as your resources. So MSSPs have realized this. So today, some of the top MSSPs in the region have signed us as an MSSP platform. So they use our platform along with the MDR services and offer it to customers. So the response has been fantastic. For last 2 years, we have now 6 MSSP partners in the Middle East who have signed up with Securonix. So in terms of countries, if you say UAE has been hot, so we have quite a lot of customers concentrating from UAE. The other market is Qatar. Saudi is slowly opening up for the cloud. So and we see that Azure is here, AWS is coming in June in UAE, and Nigeria and African countries are also opening up to the cloud. So within last 2 years, we have onboarded more than 60 customers in the Middle East and Africa, and some of them are the largest airport in the busiest airport in the world, some of the largest banking institution, largest petroleum companies in the country, and online food ordering, digital transformation companies, oil and gas companies. I mean, pretty much in all verticals, the tier 1 customers have onboarded Securonix. So all in all, I would say UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, South Africa are hot market for us today.